In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your GMC Sierra key fob. As you saw in the thumbnail, there are a couple different versions of this device here. It doesn't matter which one you have, they are all the same device, they all take the same battery, and the whole process to open it up and replace that battery is the same for all of them. So just follow along with me here, and we will get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. The only things you'll need to get it done are a flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. Now, if you don't have one of these batteries lying around, make sure you go check out that first link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these particular batteries for just a few dollars. And once you have everything you need, we can just get started with this very simple process. What you want to do is flip this over to the back and then look down here where the key ring attaches. If you look in, you can see there is this indentation right here. That is what we're going to use to pop off this back section of plastic using our flathead screwdriver. So go ahead and stick your screwdriver into that little slot. And what you want to do is just twist in one direction. So I'm twisting in this direction and this little clip right there popped off, and now we're just going to do the other one by going back in that same area and twisting in the opposite direction. There we go. Once these two pieces of plastic are free, back comes right off and the battery is sitting right in there. Now you can see my battery is just sliding out. You will have a little piece of plastic holding it in. You can see there's this large piece of plastic. The smaller one on the opposite side that you will see on your device is actually, it came off on mine, not a problem. The process is very simple. You are just going to take a flathead screwdriver. Ideally, you'd want to use a thin screwdriver like this precision screwdriver. This is really what I would recommend. And if you don't have something like this, or you would like to use this for the easiest and safest process possible, I'll put a link of this pack that I use personally in the description. Again, that's on Amazon for just a couple dollars. And with this tool, we're going to very easily remove the battery without damaging the plastic part here, like what happened on mine. You see, you can easily do this with a regular flathead, but you just run the risk of damaging that little piece of plastic a bit more. The first time you do it, it shouldn't be a problem. I've done this for testing about a dozen times, and that is what caused this. But best case scenario, you grab one of these, and what we do with it is we find right along the edge of the battery, in between the plastic wall and the battery, you just want to insert your tool down, wiggle it down to the bottom, and then just pry the battery back. You can do that with a regular flathead as well. But you should be a little bit more careful. You'll just put the corner of the flathead down, again pushing to the bottom and prying the battery up. From there, all you got to do is just pull out your old battery and dispose of your old one. Grab your new battery, and when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up. So you just slide it under the large piece of plastic near the bottom, and then click down, click the battery under the other smaller piece of plastic. From here, we can put the back on there. So first, just get it in position up on the top of the device before clicking back on those little tabs that we removed at the beginning, squeezing everything back together to make sure that it is nice and secure. And with that, you are finished. You have a new battery in there that will last you for many years. And hopefully you saved some money doing it at home instead of bringing it to the dealership. So if that video helped you out, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just by giving this video a like. We'd love to hear your feedback and to see that we are helping you guys out. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with videos just like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information directly over at our website, FobBattery.com.